Hey, so if you're stuck with account verification issues on Bitly, yeah, that can be really frustrating. You can't access features or fully use your account. Maybe you didn't receive the email or the verification link isn't working. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to solve this problem. First, check your email inbox carefully for the verification message from Bitly. If you don't see it, yeah, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes emails land there. Go back to Bitly and click Resend Verification Email to get a new link. Make sure you're checking the correct email address. Yeah, especially if you have multiple accounts. Try opening the verification link in the same browser, where you signed up. If the link doesn't work, yeah, clear your cache or try a different browser. Verification links can expire, so request a new one if needed. If nothing works, yeah, contact Bitly support to manually verify your account. So yeah, that's how to fix Bitly account verification problems. One of these steps should help you verify your account and get full access. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Hey,